Hey 30-minute marketers, Gary Baker here with you. In today's quick video, we're going to talk about how to promote Clickbank products for free. And to do that, we're going to jump on the computer. I'm going to show you exactly where to find all the information that you need, as well as where to get the free tools that you need to utilize that information. So let's get right into it. So here we are on the computer, and we're looking at Clickbank. So this is the Clickbank affiliate marketplace, and we're just going to go down through here and we're going to find a good offer. And what we're looking for is a good offer with good affiliate page, good affiliate tools on their affiliate page. You can see right here, here's an affiliate page for morning fat melter. And what we're going to do is just click on that and check out the affiliate page. So this is the affiliate page, and they're offering you free training here in a video for affiliates. But what you want to look for is you want to look for an affiliate resource page like this one right here. Then you want to click on that. Now what it's going to do is ask you for your email, and that's fine because what they're going to be doing is emailing you resources to promote this product that pays out 80% in commissions. So go ahead, click this button, enter your email address right there, and get instant access to the affiliate resources page. Now listen, I'm not telling you to go and promote morning fat melter, specifically if you're not in the health or weight loss niche. But this is just an example to show you how to get the tools that they're giving you so you can be successful at promoting their product. So once you do that, they're going to allow you to go over to what they call their resource affiliate page, and they're going to teach you how to start promoting today, and soon you'll be making $1,000 a day with their free training. What I want you to do is I want you to scroll down through this, and I want you to look on the resource page that you're on. If you're not on the specific resource page and you're looking for things like a landing page template. So in this landing page template, they're going to give you a template that is converting inside of their Facebook funnel along with the demographics that you're going to be targeting using Facebook ads, or in this case, if you want to do it for free, just using other free traffic sources following the same method, but utilizing this high converting page template that they're providing you. So when you click here for this landing page template, what it's going to do is take you over to this landing page template, and this landing page template is actually a template from GroovePages. So what I'm going to do is show you a tool that you can use for free to build this same type of landing page, but without having to purchase GroovePages or something like ClickFunnels. Before I show you the free tool to build a landing page, let's make sure that we're all on the same page of what we're doing here. You have an audience, right? And your audience is over on Facebook, your audience is on YouTube, your audience is on Instagram, your audience is on Pinterest. What you're trying to do here is build a landing page to bring your audience from these social media platforms over to your landing page and build an email list. In today's video, we're focused on building this landing page based off of the information that they've given us over on the Clickbank affiliate tools page. And that information is this squeeze page right here that they're allowing us to emulate, to copy, to make sure that we have a high converting resource in a landing page. Again, this landing page is being supplied to you by them. Of course, they're using GroovePages to do this. What we're going to do is emulate this page and copy this page and utilize it in a free tool called GrooveFunnels. So here we are inside of our GrooveFunnels dashboard, and if you don't have a free GrooveFunnels account yet, there's a link in the description. You can pick up your free account and you can follow along with this video, so go ahead and do that. Then come back to this video and we're going to pop inside of GroovePages. Again, this is completely free. You get 3 free sites. As you can see here, I've used all my 3 free sites in this account. So I would need to click the Upgrade to Pro button to create a new site. But in this case, what we're going to do is we're just going to delete this site and go ahead and add a new site for this project. So now you can see that we have one more free site that we can create. And we're going to go over here and click this new site. And inside of this, we can either select a template that you see right here. So if there's a template that looks like the one that you're modeling, go ahead and select that template, or you can go ahead and start from scratch. Because again, what we're going to be doing is modeling this site right here that they provided as the example landing page to use, the one that's converting in their Facebook funnel, just like they showed us on the affiliate tools page. So we'll go ahead and we will download this image right here because we're going to be using that image. And then we're just going to copy the headline as well as create this same type of pop-up right here to go ahead and collect that email address. So we copied that image. We'll go ahead and we'll copy this headline and we'll pop over to GroovePages and we'll build this out and get this going so we can promote this Clickbank product or any other Clickbank product for that matter using GroovePages for free. So here we are back in our empty template, and what we're going to do is we're just going to start building out that page. So we'll go ahead and we will grab a block. In this case, we'll come over to wireframes and we'll grab an empty block, drag that container over right there, come down to elements. And as you can see on that page, basically what you have is you have two columns right here. So we'll just go ahead and grab two columns inside of GroovePages, which is a two column right here. Now you have those two columns. So we're also going to need a button. So to do that, we're going to add another container here below that two column container. And then we're going to scroll down and find a button. And then we're going to place that button right there inside the container. If it doesn't drop inside the container, you can simply just move it up right there. Now you have that button inside the container. And we'll go ahead and we will start styling this page. We'll go back and we'll look at the page. First thing we had is we had this type of wood type background here. Then we had an image and we had a headline. So we'll go ahead, we'll upload this image and then we'll also put in the headline and the subheadline. Here in this empty container, we're going to go ahead and add an image. So we'll go back to elements. We will scroll down. We will find the image and we will drop it inside that container. Over here in this element, we had text. So we'll go ahead and find text element. Right here, paragraph. And then we can easily just go ahead and select that text and paste in our headline, and then we can format that right there and make sure that we get it all nice and neat, looking just like the other page or really close, because the point here is not for it to be necessarily exact copy, but just an emulation. As you can see, we're moving along. Going to go ahead, we're going to put that image in here, click on this image, go over to configure, choose an image. Of course, we'll have to upload that image by clicking here. We will grab that image right there. You'll see that that's going to import and upload. We'll go ahead and select that image, update that. Now you can see that we have that image right there. Then over here, what we're going to do is come back and resize this text. Then of course you can change the layout of the text. You can center it right there. Come down here, select this text, center this text as well right here, just another way to center it. Then of course we can also space this down right here, added some spacing, move this down right here, add some spacing, make sure it gets centered just like we saw it in the other one. In the other example of the squeeze page. Then we want to style this button right here. So we'll select the button and style that. I believe they used like a yellow color. So we'll go ahead and we'll select that. Make it that same yellow type color right there. Of course, we want to configure the button. Click here. So in this case, we'd go back to this page right here. You can see they're getting free instant access. So we'd go ahead and copy that. And in this case, it's going to add a pop-up, and then that pop-up is going to link to your affiliate link. Of course, you get that information from the marketplace right here when you click on the promote button. That's going to allow you to get your hop link by using your account nickname and then generate your hop link. So whatever your account nickname is, you generate your hop link, and it's going to give you that link right there, and that's the link that we're going to paste in when we do our redirection after we capture the email address. So let's take a look at that in Funnelytics so we understand exactly what that's going to look like. So inside of Funnelytics here, it's going to show you your audience. For example, if your audience is on Facebook, they're going to click on your Facebook ad or your Facebook post or your Facebook video, and then they're going to land on your landing page that we're building inside of GrooveFunnels for free on GroovePages. And then when they click the call to action button, that's going to bring up the call to action to enter their email address to get more information. That's going to put them on your email list, as well as redirect them over to the affiliate offer sales page, which is the link that is your hop link that you got right here on Clickbank. So let's go back to GroovePages and finish up. So we've styled that button. Now we want to make sure that the button is centered. So we'll go ahead and we'll move that button over. First we need to go into the container and then center that button under layout. Hit center, and then that button is centered right there. Of course, stylize this button, make it bigger, smaller. Sizing is right here. Of course, you can just change this and go pixels. Then you can make that button a little bigger. Of course, also you can change that text right there to exactly what they said on the other page, which was free instant access. So we'll go ahead and just emulate that and say free instant access. And you can see right there, we'll go ahead and update that and that button will change. So as you can see right now, what we have, if we were to preview this, is we have emulated just that quickly and easily that squeeze page that they created. So this is the free one that we've just built inside of GroovePages. If we were to pop back over and take a look at theirs, you can see right there, all we need to do is stylize it a little more, add a little color, maybe create a larger font, make the button bigger, maybe make the image a little smaller to make sure that it looks just like this. We could even play around with the background. Of course, they use this as an example, so understand that you will need to do your own testing with all these elements. That's a little more advanced, but I think you can see that this right here is very close to that page that you created. And of course, you can continue to work with this. For example, if you wanted to change the sizing of this element right here, which is the image, you would simply just come in and just start playing with the sizing. And you can see right there that you could make this bigger or smaller. Then of course, if you go inside that container, you could always change the layout of that as well and make sure that you always have that centered. So then again, you can see right there, if we go back to preview, you can see that it's changed already. That image is a little smaller, then we just resize this button. One last element we need to create is the pop-up right here that you see. So we'll go ahead and go back to GroovePages and create that pop-up. So what we want to do is create a pop-up right here. And under here, we're going to create a new pop-up. And here they have templates that are ready for us to use. So all we need to do is select a pop-up template, which this one right here will work just fine because it's going to emulate the exact same wording and look very similar to the one that's on the other page inside of lead pages that they're giving us as an example to use. But we're doing this inside of GroovePages for free instead of purchasing or getting a free membership that we would later have to purchase inside of lead pages. So you would just simply go back, grab this text, copy that, and then you would just emulate this blue button right here. I agree, send it now. Again, it's just as simple as clicking on this element right here and updating the text. As you can see, then you could just change the color. For example, right here, you go in here and you would just change the color. If you wanted to make that red or highlight it, you could make it red. If you wanted to undo that, you can simply just click undo. Go ahead and paste that back in there, and then you can see that you can easily play with all these elements down here. Go under text right here, change the color. Again, if you just wanted to make the text red like that, now you have a red headline. Again, come in here, play with this. It's your free account. Create your pop-up, and then, for example, the subscribe newsletter right here is where you want to configure this. Of course, you can change your button text right here, get free thing, or whatever they said over on the other page. I agree, send it to me now. So you could use that same text right there. I agree, send it to me now. There you go, update that. As you can see, the button is changing. All you need to do is style these elements and just work on this page. I'm not going to bore you with all the details of that, but you can see right there that that's exactly the way it's going to work. So we're going to go ahead and save and exit because now we have our pop-up. And then we're going to link our pop-up to this button. So we'll go under configure. We're going to link that to a pop-up. And the pop-up that we just created, pop-up 1, we're going to go ahead and update that. Now we're going to go back and we're going to preview this again. Now what you have is you have your squeeze page and free instant access. When they click it, you see the pop-up right there. They're going to enter their email address. And then when they click the I agree, send it to me now, it's going to add them to your email autoresponder, as well as the redirection to the affiliate sales page, which is your affiliate link, and you can earn the commission. So again, it's going to look like this. Your audience on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, and then your audience is going to come over from say Facebook, land on your landing page that you created inside of GroovePages that you emulated from the affiliate tools that we found over on Clickbank. Again, all for free. Land here on your page, add them to your email list, be able to follow up with them, and your landing page is also going to redirect them over to the affiliate offer sales page utilizing your affiliate link. And with that, that's how to promote Clickbank products for free. Again, using that free page, link in the description. Go ahead and grab that account. If you need to know more information, exactly how to set up that page, there's more videos here, link in the description. Or if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments. If you need a specific video, I'll go ahead and make that for you. 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the videos here on the end screen. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.